So election commission also allots election symbols to political parties. So symbols, various types of symbols, which is also allotted by election commission. Now, fifth point is to resolve any disputes relating to election. So many disputes are there between parties. Understood? So many disputes are there between parties. The election commission has the responsibility of resolving any disputes that may be arise regarding elections. According to declare Accordingly, to declare any candidates as disqualified or conduct re-election in a particular constituency is the responsibility of election commission. So resolving dispute, it can be regarding symbols, it can be regarding constituency. So it is the power of election commission to, and it is a duty, responsibility of election commission to resolve that disputes relating to election. So voting is our duty as well as responsibility. Children, you know that it is our fundamental duty to cast our vote after we attain the age of 18, when the person is having the right to vote. That right is very important, because through this right we can choose our representative very wisely. We can choose our representative of country, which will help in development of any country. Understood? So that is very important. So to resolve any disputes relating election, relating to election, that it is a duty of election commission to solve the dispute. Understood? To solve the dispute. Now here you can see which two conditions among following is the violation of code of conduct. You know children, what is code of conduct? Code of conduct is very important during election. The candidate distributes item of household use. See, this orange box, what is written, just think carefully. The candidate distributes item of household use. Promise made to resolve the water problem if elected. To go from door to door to meet voters and request them to vote. To appeal on the basis of caste and religion to get support. Which of these rules would you include in the code of conduct for voters? You know what is the scene during election? To get maximum votes, what the candidates they used to do? They used to adopt illegal ways. You know that, you must be aware what is happening during election. So this must be, it should not be there, and which should be noticed by election commissioner. If anything is there, that he is having right to cancel that candidate. So violation of conduct should not be there. Once the candidate is already formed, the form is filled by candidate for election, to stand for election during election time. So he must abide by the rules. He must follow the code of conduct, which is very important. So if he is violating the code of conduct, then it is the right of election commission to cancel his candidature. Understood? So Ram Sharan Negi from Himachal Pradesh was the first voter of India. Underline this. Match the pair of fill in the blanks में आ सकता है आपका, very important. Sham Sharan Negi from Himachal Pradesh was the first voter of India. He exercised his right to vote on 25th October 1951 in Lok Sabha election. तो इसने सबसे पहले इलेक्शन में वोट करा था, श्याम शरण नेगी फ्रॉम हिमाचल प्रदेश. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, you can see a flowchart. Process of election. What is the process of election? Underline this, process of election. This flowchart is very important from the point of view of board examination. इसको अच्छी तरह लर्न करना है आपको flowchart को, ठीक है? Now first process of election: establishment of constituencies, finalizing voter list, nomination of candidates and scrutiny of their nomination forms, election campaign, actual voting, counting of votes, results of election, resolution of disputes regarding election. So this is the process of election. While election, this process is there. So and it is the duty of election commission to look after all these factors while the election time. during election time, during process of election. Now first we'll see restructuring of constituency. The total member in Lok Sabha, first point is restructuring of constituency.